Good morning. I'm gonna try to do, don't mind this, I've been trying to take out this knot in my hair for like 15 minutes. So long hair is nice till this happens, but I'm gonna attempt to do a day in the life, and you'll see that I always start these, but I don't finish them because I pick like super busy days so you guys can see a lot of action. And then I just like don't have the opportunity to film, or I'm like in meetings and it's inappropriate to film. So I think today's a balance between like I should have time to film and I could do a day in the life. So stay tuned. First things first, the hair. Okay, decided to do straight hair today. Took a lot longer than I thought, so time to get dressed. So this is what I decided to go with, just super cash. Now on my way to a property tour. So we are touring a triplex for an out-of-state investor. One of the units just got vacant. So that's great because it's gonna open up the buyer pool to potentially owner-occupieds if it doesn't work out with this investor, which it will. And then also we don't have to evict a tenant, the unit's vacant, so we can get it to market rent right away. And then the other two units are on a month-to-month, so turnover is going to be cake, and the property manager said that one of the tenants is actually planning on leaving anyways. So it'll be such a quick and easy turnover. This triplex is what I would consider a slam dunk property. It's listed at $700,000 in a great part of town. And now I just hope that the inside looks as good as the outside. This is the one that I put the offer memorandum together for. I'm giving my investor first dibs, so he's gonna review. I'm gonna send him the footage and he's gonna review today. And then if it doesn't work out with this guy, I will open it up to other buyers. But for today, I know a couple of you guys were asking for a copy of the memorandum. I'll send it out tomorrow if this investor passes, so hang in there. And then just to make sure none of these parking spots are assigned, right? It's kind of
each unit's entitled to
two spots.
I don't think it's like these are mine and those are yours.
Okay.
They're not like marked or anything.
Yeah.
So he is painting and cleaning right now.
Ooh,
that door is getting
I love
replaced,
this.
which is why it's on the floor because he's replacing it.
Laundry and then a kitchen, but all these units do have a dishwasher. Bedrooms have carpet, and then bathroom just standard vinyl, mirror. That's nice.
What if he just does it?
That can literally all be changed. And look at all this green. Look at all this privacy. Wow. And then Adrian. Okay, not to freak out, but like the second unit just served notice yesterday. Just found out they're moving out November 10th. 2 vacancies. This property is such a score. Okay, so only downside, and our offer will reflect this, but there are no garages. So I told the manager fella, like, hey, it's a great property. The inside's a lot better than I thought, but there are no garages. So it just seemed like, I was like, I don't know what the offer is coming in at. Obviously, I'm not going to offer full price. And then he just seemed very receptive. So the numbers are about to get like hecka better. Also, I have not eaten today, and Nellie found us a cute little breakfast place, so I hope it's good. This is it. And there she is. Already got her laptop out, ready to work. I totally meant to show you guys my delicious breakfast sandwich, and then I ate the whole thing. We interrupt today's broadcast to clear out the bank account. I had some time to do a quick live, and then of course it ended up turning into like a whole hour thing. So thanks for everyone that tuned in. Once I'll do my spiel, and then I'll get to the Q&A portion, and it's like I can't not answer those questions. Great questions. So it's posted on my profile if anybody wants to watch it. Now I just got home and I have about 45 minutes till my next meeting. So we're going to do another property tour. I just did it again. I finished the tour and I forgot to film. Sorry. Welcome to a day in my life where you don't get to see anything. So I had done a tour on one of my own personal properties that I have a vacancy on, and it went really well. It's one of my big ones. It's a commercial lease. And usually those stay vacant for a while, but I got a tenant and they gave me the deposit today. So I'm like mind blown. Like they were stoked. It went super well. I have the money, and just really happy that I have a vacancy that's filled. Just got home now. I'm casually chilling in my purple sweater that you guys see me wear all the time. But I wanted to get a lot of my affairs in order before I left to Florida. So going to Florida on the 17th. So I'll be in the Tampa area on the 17th. Can't wait. I'll still be working, so I'm not going on vacation. But if you catch me at the beach every now and then, It's okay. And then I have one more vacancy to fill. But luckily that one should be super easy. It's a much more affordable price range. It's only $2,500. It's like a standard 3-bed, 2-bath. And then just a couple other little things I got to do. And then the rest of everything that I do can all be done off of my phone. So I can literally work from anywhere. I do have like 2 tenants that send me rent checks. So I'll be gone beginning of December. And then I'll just have to let those people know that I won't be checking my mail. And this is why you want to kind of get all electronic deposit. That's the only thing. I have to be here to physically deposit the check. I do mobile deposit, but so those rent checks are going to get deposited late, and I got to let those tenants know. But other than that, pretty streamlined. Freaking love technology. Moving on to the final portion of our evening. So a lot of you guys like this layout. Thank you very much. I'll just put it up for you guys to download. And then, of course, all this stuff is specific to that property. I did change the address, 12345 ABC Street. Obviously, take all this stuff out and replace it with your own market if you were to present this to someone. But this is kind of my market, and I'll just give it to you guys to use. All this is sourced from Business Journal, other listings, things like that. My description for this, okay, so I put the offer memorandum, and it's like, nothing fancy, but it's easy to use and a great layout. And of course, I have to have a dessert while I watch Peaky Blinders tonight. So I'm gonna make a Dutch pancake. Okay, so the butter's a little bit burnt because I wasn't paying attention, but it's okay. This is it. Moment of truth.